This week's battle comes from Red Bull BC1 2009 and is one of the greatest championship finals ever. Today, we are examining one of the most requested battles on this channel, Lilou versus Cloud. Let's go. All right, here we go. Lilou is gonna start us off on offense, and he's gonna go round off to a layout, then an elbow right to Cloud. I love these top rocks right here. Excellent start from Lilou. Watch this. He goes 6-step, then reverses direction into threads. Crab dance to the beat of the music. Crowd goes crazy. Watch this. He waits for the beat, and then when the beat drops, immediately goes into that crab dance. Brilliant use of the music, brilliant use of his moves. Flare. Roll back into an elbow freeze. I love the pike in his leg. It's a beautiful position. Now here is Cloud's first round. One of the best b-boys in the world. One of my favorite dancers in the world. Cloud is working the floor for the subbies. Help us get to 1,000 subs by subscribing to the channel. He rolls, he does this twist around, almost mocking the flip start of Lilou. I love that. Almost looked like he was gonna do a gainer, but he turned it into a top rock step. Fantastic. Look at this illusion into flare using his opposite arm. When he twists around, he uses his opposite arm and then opens up for a flare. Really difficult to do. One of the craziest transitions I've ever seen. Love that slide through. Back into footwork. Knee spin. Cloud just rocking the beat all day. Give a like for Cloud. Lilou's crab dance to the beat of the music was the highlight of his round, and his flare rollback to elbow freeze was a strong finish to the routine. Cloud responds with a masterclass in top rocks and originality. His allusion to flare was jaw-dropping. Cloud closes out his routine with an impressive knee spin that forced this round to end in a tie. Lilou with another flip. It was like a flash kick. Didn't quite land as clean as he probably wanted that to. He does this like he's lip syncing thing. I'm not quite sure who he's lip syncing to. There's no lyrics. Someone in the comments help me with that one. Into footwork. Thread through. Back handspring. Love that drop. Watch this baby freeze pattern. He gets a little stuck in the transition up into air chair. It looks like he slips off his hand as he's going into that transition. Cloud mocking Lilou's glasses. You gotta come rough at Lilou. We've already discussed this in a previous video. Look at this, the way it's almost like he's pulling on his foot in that movement. He's so good at top rock, so good at working the beat, goes across. Looks like he puts a sword away. Cloud with a sword. Wow, butterfly twist in the middle of his footwork. Another twist standing up, slides across the floor into a headstand freeze. Doesn't quite get the stick he wants. See the way he pushes off of his leg, twists his shoulders and his head to get that momentum. Lilou's drop back was great, but he struggles in his transition from his baby freeze pattern to air chair. Cloud's butterfly twist was incredible, and he had an opportunity to take the round, but struggled in his final transition to headstand freeze. Lilou immediately responding and mocking him. Smart decision by Lilou. Goes into flare. Look at this backspin variation with his hands out. Very well done. Double knee spin. Into footwork. Coffee grinder. Thread in a headstand freeze. Tap mill variation. He goes into figure four head spin drills. Super clean, super strong finish. Cloud, this is his final routine. Let's see what he has to say. Can he finish this off? Battle still well within reach for Cloud. I like that drop back of his own. Goes across the floor. Let's see what he's got left in the tank. Can Cloud close this out? Cloud's use of the floor is amazing. Look at the way he goes across the entire floor here. I love that. It's so creative. One of the most original b-boys ever. What a battle. That was 6 perfect rounds of b-boying. This round was really close. Lilou's final round was very power heavy. I thought his figure four headspin drills were a solid end to this battle. Cloud again had a strong start to the round, but the second half failed to capitalize and take advantage of a vulnerable Lilou. I agree with the judge's final decision of Lilou winning by a 3-2 split. Cloud started each round great, but the ends of round 2 and 3 weren't strong enough to sway my vote. Lilou was excellent from start to finish and showed a wide range of footwork, power, and freezes. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to recommend another battle for the channel.